got a giant bass. Look at that. See, if I put it real close, that's a 20-pounder. Hooked him good. What was it, about 6 inches long? Alright guys, we're back out here at the pond. Told you I was going to do it during daytime.
And
It's like, what time is it?
7:23 in the morning.
So, yeah, it's like 55 degrees.
53 degrees.
My hook's bent. Fix that. 53?
Yeah. You can kind of see our breath.
Yeah. We got fog on the water. I'm totally out of my element. As far as bass lures, this is all I got.
The worm.
But we're doing this for you. Get in there.
Barely caught him off that thing.
Huh?
Barely hanging on.
Yeah.
Bigger.
Bait or on this tree line.
Yeah, I was trying to do
That lizard. Can't believe there's nothing around this tree in the water. Odd.
What the heck?
I've never in my life done that.
I hope it caught that. I don't think it did.
I've never seen the end of my pull off there like that before. Really?
Are you serious? Buster's in between that.
Can't afford to lose my only jig. People tell you, use what you got. Why spend money? Well, I guess I caught two.
Yeah.
Since I'm not a bass fisherman, I'm sure we're doing this all wrong.
We need to get some top.
Top waters. I guess the thing today. Uh-oh, I'm gonna lose my only jig head. A whopper flopper or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Got lucky. Probably got a pin hook. Sun right in my eyes. Huh? What time you gotta be at work? Huh?
As soon as we're done.
Just whenever? I got running around to do. I don't even know what time it is.
Already 8:30.
8:30?
8:16.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I thought I had another snag.
Oh, he's fighting. Dang.
Hey, you got better and better. I'm here. I'll save you.
I think next time I want to set one of those up because they're not wanting this.
A little bit better.
Shiny.
You can't see it. Now you can.
Now give it a sniff.
That water's warm. He's warm.
Huh.
Give it a sniff. What? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
You obviously don't watch LFG,
I don't know what LFG is.
Lake Fork guy.
Lake Fork guy?
Yeah.
Never heard of it.
It's part of Good Squad.
No. You've never heard of me either, so we're even.
Catches the Mondos. You caught him right there.
Yeah, he didn't even hit it hard either. It's like I bumped something. Yeah, don't do that. Someone's trying to throw across that little bitty spot there.
Oh.
Sure enough, lose that.
Well, you don't have faith in yourself?
Nope. I didn't slice this perfectly there. You get it? Scared to step out on that log?
Yeah.
We'll have to call it here, aren't we? We need to work and make the big bucks.
Oh.
Would you drop it in the water?
Yeah.
You got it?
Got it. Hey, see, I caught something.
Yeah. It's not on camera, but you did. Looks a little sun faded.
Yeah. I wonder how long it's been sitting there.
I don't know.
Oh. They got the threaded line on
Braided?
it. Yeah.
I bought that once. I got the wrong size. It was only like 2 pound test. I was like, nah, I can't use this. Well, we had fun.
Yeah.
Got out of the house again.
Yep.
We weren't working, but now you have to go to work
For a little bit, at least.
a little bit.
Yeah.
This is my off day. I got to do some running. Probably quicker just to cut it.
Looking at everything.
That's Mosey. To give you guys something to laugh about.
Yeah.
Show you my tackle. That's all I got for bass. Just a few jig. Oh yeah, there's another jig head in there. I wasn't surprised. Is that all I own? Because it's not catfish related. Look,
Oh.
see that?
No, they didn't see it.
Wow. That'll probably won't get active. Oh well. Well, we're gonna end it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, so make sure you like and subscribe. Click that bell.
Like this.
Yeah.
All right, till next time.